Hi there, welcome to Quick Tip with Joy. Today I'm going to talk about masterboards, what they are and what you do with them and how you make them. So today I'm going to show you how I just save all my scraps. I save them in a pile, and I don't keep keep a ton of them, but I do keep a pile of little ones, and then I'll keep other things. I've showed these before in my other journals. I just have little scraps and pieces that I may put down on a page. The best way to do is to start with a blank piece of paper. It can be any kind of paper, but you're going to build it. This one, as you can tell, I just sewed it together, didn't put it on a frame. This one I did put on a frame. I used leftover book pages, and I made it I dyed around these edges. I distressed, with around these edges. And then I did a glue bath, which I will show later how to make one. But it's like 1/3 water to 2/3 glue. And I added a little color to it and I painted it on. Very simple. And then after I did, you can see where the distress kind of blended out a little bit. It kind of added richness and tone to it. That's what I like. So I've done some plain and simple ones. These are, again, the scraps off of the edge of a book page that you don't use typically. And I just put it on cardstock, plain cardstock. A lot of people like to do them like this, though, so that they have just random scraps stuck on wherever. And that I did with that one. This one is really done. See, you can tell I had a starting point, and then I just started going out with lots and lots of scraps. And as you can tell, it's cut-offs. It's whatever I had on my desk. And I didn't cut this one off. You can if you want to fit it into a journal, or the purpose of a masterboard is to create such a thing so that you can actually go back later and fold it and decorate it for a page in your journal. I kind of like this one. You can sew. You don't have to sew. You can just glue. I used a little gesso on this one. You can also do them in fabric. So this one was given to me by my friend, but she just took a piece of paper and started sewing fabric scraps on. And that makes a really pretty one. I did it as well with this one. Just crazy sew. And it doesn't matter. These can be used, again, in a journal or as a cover. The fabric ones are nice to use as a cover because they kind of have a nice little texture to them. But here's one I did with a nature kind of vibe. I put book pages down, add a little gold leaves, and put in some old looking tape. Faux tape is what it was, and just leaves on top. So I had cut this one off, evidently. I don't know which side it was, but anyway. But after you get done with them, you can scan them into your computer. For instance, this one is a copy of this one. You scan it in, and then you have an image that you can use over and over again. That is what a master board is. That's what you get the master part of. This was one I had scanned in as well. It's just a copy, and this was a scanned copy as well. So that is the way you use a master board, the way you make a master board. If you have any questions, post them below. I'd be happy to help you. I hope you enjoy the quick tip today. And if you would like to see more from me, please subscribe, ring the bell. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share. I would love to hear what you would like to see next. Also, if you'd like to give me an idea, I have plenty of ideas, but if you have one, share it. And for today, remember your day is full of choices, so choose joy. I'll see you later.